Whoosh, welcome to Tokyo, the city that never sleeps. Except maybe for a quick power nap. Ever heard of the Sensoji temple? It's not just any old building, it's the oldest temple in Tokyo dating back to the 7th century. That's older than your great-great-great-grandma's antique vase. Picture this, a massive red lantern weighing nearly a ton hanging at the entrance. And no, it's not a giant's nightlight. It's called the Kaminarimon, or Thunder Gate. Pretty cool, right? Inside, you'll find a 5-story pagoda, a stunning main hall, and a shopping street that's been bustling since the Edo period. Talk about a historical shopping spree. But wait, there's more. Got a wish? Write it on a wooden plaque called an ema and hang it up. Who knows, the temple gods might just grant it. Just remember, no wishing for a lifetime supply of sushi. That's your 60-second trip to the Sensoji temple. If you've enjoyed this quick jaunt, smack that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Itinerary Infinity for more. Catch you on the flip side.